Much love, and I'm Wayne Johnson with Doc and Queen Ministries. Got a very short lesson I want you to examine, sit with for yourself. Going to come from Deuteronomy chapter 7, verse 9, and it reads, Now, therefore that the Lord your God is God. He is the faithful God, keeping his covenant of love to 1,000 generations of those who love him and keep his commandments. That is from the NIV. You take a look at different versions, read the NIV as well. Sit there. It's all about the word. Do your own thing with the word covenant. The word covenant. Take care. God bless.